Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and this is all about my favorite eyeshadow palettes, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I love eyeshadow. You know how I am. I just love it, love it, love it. I'm trying a new scarf today. Let me know your thoughts. I love scarves, I really do, especially when it's a little chilly out here. Right now it's snowing in April. Hello. Okay, so I'll start off with, there's no particular order of my preference, but I just want to show you guys what I have. This is Tartelette. I love, love, love by Tarte. They have some beautiful, beautiful shades. I mean, just simply gorgeous. A lot of these palettes are heavily used because I do use them a lot. Okay, just gorgeous, gorgeous. These are all mattes. I love mattes. Hello. I got to pull this out more often. Check it out. Reasonably priced, very nice palette. Okay, so next in line, if you're on a budget and you want something gorgeous and beautiful and not spend a lot of money, these are hard times right now, so I do get it. Okay, so this is BH Cosmetics. They're available in a lot of different places. I find them most often either online or at Ulta Beauty. Okay, gorgeous palette. I mean, an array of beautiful shades, just beautiful. They have shimmers, they have mattes, they have dark, they have light. I love it. Okay, next, which this I use a lot, so I'm wiping it off because it's my fingerprints all over. This is Milani Soft and Sultry. Oh my gosh. Milani, hello. And these are my shades, Forever and a Day. The more of the earth tones, the browns, the beautiful shimmer and dark brown. I love it. And then to be able to highlight, gorgeous colors. Okay, very reasonably priced at every drugstore. Pretty much every drugstore. I think I find them more often at Walmart. Okay, and this here, once again, my fingerprints are all over this, you guys. This is Bare Minerals. Gorgeous, beautiful palette. I have so many palettes. And this also has, let me just confirm. Doesn't really say, but I think it's a combination of eyeshadow and a few blush tones. No, apologize. They're just larger eyeshadow components. See, gorgeous. This is beautiful. I haven't used this that much. I'm going to bring it out and try it again. Some beautiful shades. Okay. Next in line, let's see here. I hope you guys are doing well. Please stay safe, okay? All right, so then, of course, you guys know I love my Gwen Stefani. I pull this out all the time, and she just has some gorgeous shades here and a beautiful palette. It's so elegant and nice. The shades are perfect for me. Okay, this is something I tried. This is actually a Korean company, and they manufactured this, I think, in Victoria. Okay, Clara Cosmetics. I think this is like $20, okay? All these shades for a magnificent price. Trust and believe. Oh, I love it. I love it. Everything you could possibly want in an everyday look, a go-out look, a stay-at-home, a quarantine look, okay? A stay-at-home look. Please don't forget it. All right, so that's another one. Okay, it's so many, but, you know, I have to rotate. So I have my beauty bar here. And so what I do is periodically, once every couple of weeks, I'll change everything out so that I'm using new products. Okay, here we go. So this is by Pinky Rose. And you guys know I love them. I don't know where they are now. I can't get it at Ricky's no more. Ricky closed up. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But these are the most vibrant, sexy, beautiful colors I've ever seen. Just gorgeous. I mean, it's not an everyday color, but if you want to be everyday in this, you go ahead, girl. All right, so then this is another shadow palette by BH Cosmetics, and it's called Studio Pro. It's very, very nice. Let me get it open here. Really, really nice. They have a nice array of shimmer. I think it's really, really good for me personally. I like to use it right under my brow. Just gorgeous shimmers. Okay, and this go-to, every time I used to go to New York, okay, H&M, trust and believe, H&M got it going on in cosmetics, certain stores. This is my signature look. You got the dark colors, the greens, some of the gold shimmers. I love it. The browns, I love. A little bit of green shimmer. Oh, I love these. Very nice, compact, fit right in your purse. And then the new love of my life in the last couple of years is Jouer Place. This is so beautiful. I love their packaging. They always represent very, very well. And just the most dynamic colors you've ever seen. And the palettes are very reasonable. I've only been able to find them either online on their website or Ulta Beauty. So these, I have every palette that they make, okay? I'm just showing you two. Here you go. Is that gorgeous or what? And this just reminds me, I got to pull this out more often and take a ride with this, honey. Okay. I love it. So let me know what your favorites are. It does not have to be the same as mine, but of course. But please, please show support for companies right now. Buy whatever you can. If you have a little bit of extra money, spend it. Keep our economy going. So let me know your thoughts on what your favorite palettes are. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe. Click the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. We try and do it every week. In addition to that, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And check out Jacqueline's Beauty Blog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.